If you want to bring back that classic square look to your Instagram grid, here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, find the post you want to change. Tap and hold on the photo. If you're on Android, you might need to tap the three dots in the bottom right corner of the post instead. On iPhone, the options usually just pop up automatically. Next, tap on Adjust Preview. This will open up a screen where you can see how the image appears in your grid. From there, select the Fit option. This will crop the post back into that traditional square format. Once it looks the way you want, tap Done. That's it. The image should now appear as a square in your grid instead of the full-size or zoomed-in version. Just a heads up, there's no way to change all your posts at once. You'll need to go through them one by one if you want your whole grid back to the old layout.